Hey, the Real Estate Pete here, and I'm at 93 Truman Boulevard in Oakland, New Jersey. I'm standing here in the living room of this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath colonial, and probably my favorite part is how the living room is open to the dining room. It makes it great for family gatherings, when you have friends over, entertaining. Not to mention, you've got great natural light coming in from the front of the house as well as the back of the house. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video tour and reach out with any questions. Hey guys, well I hope you enjoyed that tour. Again, it's 93 Truman Boulevard in Oakland, New Jersey. And if you have any questions or you want to set up a time to see it, just give me a call. My cell is 201-396-7675, or drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much.